Welcome to Shara's Fab. Alright, so I've been waiting on this box. Let me just start to open. Should never cut towards myself. Yes. The Barbie Looks. Finally got one. Well, this is my second one. I forgot I already have one. But this is my second one. This is the one I wanted more than anything. Oh, yes. Okay, hold on. Let me get rid of this box. Alright. Sorry about all that, but look at her. She is lovely. Oh my. Oh yes. Let's see if I can get a better look. Yes. Yes. Oh my, how lovely is she? Woo! Okay. So this is a Barbie signature. Looks on the side. Looks on the back. I have number 1 and now I have number 2. I am not sure about the other ones because this one took like 1,000 years to get here. And look, if I wanted to keep it, it's like the box is kind of damaged already. I mean, if I wanted to keep her inside, which I don't, but if I did, I would probably be upset that the package is kind of messed up. But anyway, I'm thinking the two ladies that I have are it for me. I kind of want the other two dudes, but I'm just not for all the shipping hassles, and it took forever to get here. And ooh, her hair's soft. It's soft. Oh yeah. Oh, it's so soft. God, is it like my hair? Oh my gosh. She's adorable. I mean, she's beautiful. I would like another one of her. Just because she's beautiful. Okay, so she comes with a certificate of authenticity. I'm racking those babies up. Okay. She's got the silver boots. She's curvy. That's why I'm so glad I got all these extra curvy dresses and shoes, because I want to showcase my curvy girls. Okay. So we have our stand stick is inside of the box. You know, I don't. That took forever to get here. I mean, I paid $19.99 for both of these dolls. It was, I believe it was cheaper on Amazon when I got number 1. The shipping plus the tax, it was the shipping was $9.95 and the tax was $2.62. So this doll cost me $32 or $32.56. They don't. I ordered it on June 16th. 2021, and today is the 10th of July. So you probably won't see this video for like another month. The way I do it. I mean, I know I probably got to get better with that, but I'm posting once a week at this point. So usually my time frames are approximately like a month out from when I do it, which I try to post like my hauls and stuff a little bit sooner than that, because that way if it's something you want to haul, or at least put a snippet or something. She's gorgeous. She is absolutely, I love her eye makeup, because I wear my eyes like that sometimes with the gold. You know, she's movable. I mean, she's $20 and movable, which is great. I mean, she's not perfect. Like, look at that seam right there. It's just, it's not, I would have rather they had that on the back like this one. But it's right there. You know, what are you going to do about that? Standard, typical, curvy body. She's got tape on the back to hold the halter down. To hold those down. And it velcros. You know, she's made to move. She's got the silver boots on. You know, movement at the ankle. So she'll be able to wear those heels that I just purchased. She's beautiful. Gosh. Oh my. I love her. They don't come with pierced ears, which, I mean, she's so pretty she doesn't need it, but I want to see her in some hoops. I really want to see her in some hoops. I really hate that her seam is in the front of her arm. It's like they did it backwards. Look at that. Oh God, that sucks. Oh, it sucks. But anyway, what are you gonna do? Look at that. And then look at this one. It's on the back. Oh, that sucks. I don't know. But I like the jumpsuit on her. I'm really into the jumpsuits. She's gorgeous. Her hair is soft. There's like a slight part right there. But it seems to be pretty full. You know, I could put her barrette. She's gorgeous. I'm gonna overlook that seam that they obviously did on the wrong side. I really hate Curvy's feet. I am not a fan of them. But I know they want to make it proportion to her body or what have you, but okay. Can I at least stand her on the, put her in the stand? Okay. Okay. All right. So there she is. She's so pretty. Oh my gosh, she's pretty. I'm glad she's here. I don't know if I'm gonna get any other ones. I would like to get her and reroot her. She's just that gorgeous to me. And I have some pretty dolls. I'm gonna have to show all my Afro girls. Because I have this one. I rebodied her. But her hair is a little bit more coarse. They're kind of the same skin tone, kind of. But her, like I said, her hair is a little bit more, her hair is a little bit more coarse. And I rebodied her because I wanted her to move. But now I have one that moves. See, here's another one of my pretty babies. See, she's beautiful. Let me see, her hair is caught in the necklace. She's a little darker, and her complexion's a little bit darker, but beautiful. So I have number one and number two. Number one, I didn't like her hair. I had to wash it. It's still like an issue. I'm brushing it as we speak. I got her for her hair and her skin tone. She seems like she's a little bit more of a brown tone skin. I actually do like the Barbie, the platinum blonde Barbie that comes with these Look dolls, but I don't know if I want to buy her. I mean, if I can get any of the dolls at the $19 again on the Amazon, the $19.99 on Amazon, then maybe. But I do have these two now, and I'm happy with them. I like that they're made to move. I am kind of disappointed that the seam is on the front of the arm there. You see that? That I don't like. But I'm not sending her back for that. No telling how long that would take. But anyway, I'm happy with her. And maybe I was trying to think if I wanted to dress her in something right now. But I don't know. Let me see. Okay, so I put her in this dress and these heels. Very happy with it. I wonder, I mean, I love that she has a fro, but there we go. She's beautiful, even though that seamed arm is ruining things for me. Look at that full articulation. She's like, hey. Yeah. So let me try to see if I can get this stand. The stand doesn't seem to want to cooperate. see. There we go. And it seems like it's fuzzy, and I don't know why.